Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished you could turn your Figma designs into code with just a single click, well, today's your lucky day. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Visual Copilot to make that magic happen. By the end of this video, you'll know how to go from a static Figma layer straight to usable code, saving yourself a ton of time. Let's dive right in and simplify your workflow together. First things first, you'll want to jump into action mode in Figma. Look toward the center at the bottom of your screen, you'll see an action button. Go ahead and click that. Alternatively, if you like using keyboard shortcuts, just press Ctrl+K. This is your universal search in Figma and is a real helper for speeding things up, especially if you're moving fast through your designs. Now with the search bar open, start typing in pluginbuilder.io. What this does is pull up the Builder.io plugin, which is where Visual Copilot lives. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, sometimes plugins take a second to show up, especially if your internet is a bit slow. Once you spot it, click to open the plugin. You'll see the Visual Copilot interface pop up on the side of your workspace. Here comes the important part. Before you do anything else, click on the Figma layer or component that you want to convert to code. This could be a button you designed, a navigation bar, or even a whole frame. The key thing is to select exactly what you want Visual Copilot to work its magic on. Otherwise, you might end up exporting the wrong piece or nothing at all. With your layer selected, look for the option labeled Classic Export within the Visual Copilot window. Click on that. Now what's happening here is that Visual Copilot is analyzing your layer and getting it all prepped for code conversion. This may take a couple of moments, especially if your layer is complex or features a lot of nested elements. Just hang tight, Visual Copilot is doing the heavy lifting for you. When it's done, scroll down to the bottom of the plugin pane. You'll see the code that Visual Copilot has generated for your selected layer. This code is ready to go. It could be HTML, JSX, or another format depending on your export settings and project needs. Simply copy this code by hitting the button or using Ctrl+C. Now you can paste it directly into your favorite code editor, your app, or wherever you need it. It's really that straightforward, and honestly it feels a little bit like cheating in the best way possible. Now, if you want even more control or smarter code generation, head back into Builder and take a look at the Smart Export option. This feature uses advanced logic to give you cleaner, more responsive code and can help if you're working with elements that need special handling. Think of it like the difference between taking the express train and hopping on a bullet train. Either way, you're getting where you want to go, just with a bit more finesse. And that's really all there is to it. Using Visual Copilot in Figma to generate code is incredibly simple once you know where to click and what each tool does. Whether you're a designer looking to speed up handoff or a developer wanting a head start, this tool is a massive time saver. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more tips about Figma or code workflows, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.